Hey guys, so today I have a dietary supplement by DMoose, but before taking any supplement you always want to consult with your physician or doctors if it's okay. But we have creatine here, so basically what this does is it supports cellular energy, supports recovery, and supports muscle growth. So basically this helps you with, having your muscles get big and strong and everything. It's taken 2 scoops daily, so when your rest days or on your active days. It does recommend taking this to about 30 to 45 minutes before or after training in like 12 to 8 ounce water with any carbohydrated drinks. So here I have some light lemonade here. So let's go ahead and do that. So right when we open the bag, it looks just like this. It comes with a little scoop already, so then we just take the little scooper and we have to open our drink. We close it up, we shake it. It is flavorless, so there's not really a big flavor that you're gonna taste. And after shaking it, the formula seems really good, so it is easy to dissolve. As you can see, it's just a little cloudy. And whenever you're ready, before and after a workout, just like that, it doesn't taste like anything. Check it out.